Best travel stocks to buy right now. It's easy to be bullish on travel and tourism stocks, especially in non-pandemic times. After all, who couldn't use a vacation? The unpredictability of the post-pandemic economy still has many stock experts baffled. Well, the fact that the travel and tourism industry was seriously disrupted in 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. It wiped out business for most travel and tourism stocks. Airlines and hotel chains saw revenue cut in half, cruise lines fared even worse. Fortunately, the vast majority of travel and tourism stocks were able to weather the worst of the storm, and, with vaccines rolling out, there's reason to believe the worst is behind us. A recovery will take time, with airlines warning it could be the second half of the decade before conditions completely normalize. But the entire industry appears to be on the upswing, and the stocks should be safe for long-term, patient investors. MarketBeat's analysts have just released their top 5 highest-rated companies for March 2021. None of the usual suspects, including Apple and Tesla, made the cut. With this context in mind, here are the top 10 best travel stocks to buy right now. Number 5. Airbnb Incorporated, Nasdaq, ABNB. Airbnb Incorporated, Nasdaq, ABNB, is a San Francisco-based company that connects users who want to book lodging for tourism, vacation, and other purposes with those renting places out. Airbnb went public in late December with a market cap of more than $86 billion. Share price has since climbed even higher, and the market cap of the firm is now valued at over $100 billion. In February, trading firm Susquehanna picked Airbnb as one of its top picks based on the first quarter earnings report of the company in 2021. The same day, investment bank Needham maintained a bullish view on the travel company stock with a buy rating and upgraded the price target to $225 from $220. At the end of the fourth quarter of 2020, 68 hedge funds in the database of Insider Monkey held stakes worth $1.6 billion in the firm. Number 4. Expedia Group Incorporated, Nasdaq, EXP. Expedia Group Incorporated, Nasdaq, EXP, is a Seattle-based digital travel firm. The brands it owns and operates include Expedia.com, Vrbo, Hotels.com, Hotwire.com, Orbitz, Travelocity, Trivago and CarRentals.com. Expedia has a market cap of more than $25 billion and posted $5 billion in annual revenue in December 2020, down more than 50% from the $12 billion reported the year before. Even though COVID-19 hit the company hard, it is expected to make a strong recovery as a travel boom is expected after pandemic restrictions ease. Seeing the signs of the economic recovery, investment bank Morgan Stanley on March 25 increased its price target on Expedia stock to $200 from $160, maintaining an equal weight rating on the company's stock. Out of the hedge funds being tracked by Insider Monkey, New York-based investment firm D1 Capital Partners is a leading shareholder in the firm with 12 million shares worth more than $1.6 billion. Number 3. Avis Budget Group Incorporated, Nasdaq, CAR. Avis Budget Group Incorporated, Nasdaq, CAR, is a New Jersey-based company involved in the car rental and sharing business. The firm also provides insurance services for customers for protection against accidents. Avis was founded in 1946 and operates in more than 10,000 locations globally. On March 16, investment bank Morgan Stanley downgraded the rating of Avis stock to equal weight from outperform and revised the price target to $67. Although the shares of Avis fell 2.3% after the ratings update, they have since gained on the back of positive gains from the emerging post-pandemic situation in the United States. Out of the hedge funds being tracked by Insider Monkey, New York-based investment firm SRS Investment Management is a leading shareholder in the firm with 18.4 million shares worth more than $687 million. Number 2. Marriott International Incorporated, Nasdaq, MAR. Marriott has a market cap of over $47 billion and posted an annual revenue of close to $2.2 billion in December 2020, down from more than $5 billion reported the year before. The company operates one of the largest luxury hotel chains in the world, and will stand to benefit from increased travel after the lockdown is lifted. Out of the hedge funds being tracked by Insider Monkey, New York-based investment firm Eagle Capital Management is a leading shareholder in the firm with 12.4 million shares worth more than $1.6 billion. Number 1. Booking Holdings Incorporated, Nasdaq, BKNG. Booking Holdings Incorporated, Nasdaq, BKNG, is a Connecticut-based travel technology firm. At the end of the fourth quarter of 2020, 108 hedge funds in the database of Insider Monkey held stakes worth $8.2 billion in the firm, down from 113 in the previous quarter having shares worth $6.6 billion. BKNG is well positioned in travel as the largest player in online lodging bookings and the second largest player in alternative accommodations. Like all travel companies, Booking was hit hard by the pandemic, but with its high international exposure, we expect the company's recovery to be equally strong when travel returns. That's it, folks. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell, so you don't miss any of our future videos. Visit tripverse.com for great travel tips, hacks, and ideas.